Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Yes. Oh yeah. I'm stuck.
I got a feeling.
Oh no.
Because everybody's gone that way.
Good job. Good job. Hey, Mark.
Hey, stay.
All right. Where's the flag?
Right over my left shoulder here. That trail right on my left.
Woo! I want to hear it. Come in. Knee deep? Oh, yeah. Good times. What more could they do?
Yeah.
Whoop, my foot's stuck.
Good morning.
I can't believe it. I do. I was. This is worse than a mud run.
Yeah, you just follow these guys.
Oh man, there's gotta be a way around. Oh no, that's painful too. Where's a good spot to go?
There really isn't a good spot. You're going to get very... That's a good spot right there.
Oh man. Oh geez. Yeah. Hey, we're trusting you. Oh, that was deep. Man. Oh, my.
Hey, good morning, Roger.
Here's the shallow part over here. Whoa! Whoa! Ah, my foot.
Uh-oh.
My shoe. Come on, Deja Vu. Oh, man. Seriously. My hands and knees.
All right, guy.
The drop off here.
Thanks a lot. Oh.
All right, Raj.
All right. Got enough mud on me?
Can you help with me? Thank you.
You. Oh, thank you very much. I need to get your name for that shot. Thank you.
Oh, you're quite welcome. Thank Rick and Herb.
Oh, my.
All right.
Are you stuck in mud?
Sticking mud.
Hey!
Morning, Judith.
Good morning.
It's good to see you. Great.
Oh, I just know it's stepping like call me and take me down. Whoa! Oh, shit. I want that. I want that. It's just,
And for
Get a shot of that, please. Thank you.
you have it. You have it.
Oh, that's right.
Oh my gosh!
Good job, guys.
All right. Ooh, yeah. Ah. Yeah. All right. Is this the course?
This is the course,
I haven't
yes.
seen a pink ribbon in a while. Oh. Well, tell me where the deep spots are.
Oh, I'm sure you'll find them yourself.
Oh, there's a hand. Oh, God.
Yeah.
You don't help anybody, do you? Oh. Oh. I've got a little guy with a red top, 8 years old. Give him a little encouragement. Tell him
Okay.
I'm still alive.
How many people behind you?
I have no idea.
All right.
At least a couple adults,
All right.
and hopefully my little 8-year-old.
I'll let him know you're alive.
Tell them I'll come walking back. Well, maybe better not tell them.
Oh no.
Right.
Morning, guys.
Hi.
You go first. I want to see how deep it is.
There's about an 8-year-old behind us.
What are you saying, Frank? Don't start talking till you get out of there. What was that about the 8-year-old, Frank? I didn't hear any of that
Little
part.
boy by the name of Jason that's back there behind us.
Yeah, his dad was through here already, so. How many people behind you, do you know?
Maybe 4 or 5.
Okay. Frank. Started talking a little bit too soon there, Frank. Yeah. Survival matters first, 8-year-old second.
Murder. Oh.
This is it.
Really?
Got to come right across here. Oh boy. I don't think that's going to make much difference actually, but you can give that a try.
How deep is this?
Oh, it's going to be about waist deep on you. You can make it. It'll be deep. It's going to be up in your waist, so you just got to enjoy it. Doing a good job. Your dad was already through here. He said to say hi.
What?
Your dad was already through here. He said to say hi.
Okay.
Good job.
Go.
Okay, you want to go right past me, just up the trail right there. Good work.
Oh my God. Ew.
And another really nice nightmare run ends. Didn't have to make any commentary on that. Everybody spoke very eloquently for themselves. So all I can say is, guys, get ready for the big nightmare in January, and we'll see you on Super Bowl Sunday.